Hello. Now I am going to discuss about our heart. Heart is the main part of our blood circulatory system. Okay, it's function like a pump, and it is situated in our chest cavity between two lungs in left side, some left side. Okay, so this is heart. Okay, and this heart, I am going a simple heart diagram by which we can easily discuss about the structure of heart, and every part of the heart is important, and we have to learn about their function and their structure. Every part is vital, so learn carefully. This is our heart. Approx this heart's weight 330 grams, and it has upper and lower. Upper part is called auricle and the lower part is called ventricle. Okay, there are four chamber in our heart. This is left part and this is right part. Upper chamber is called auricle, so it is called this chamber, this chamber is called left auricle, and it is called right auricle. Okay, it is called left ventricle and it is called right ventricle. Okay, the wall of auricle is thin and the wall of ventricle is thick. Okay, why we discuss later some time. This is the separation between two auricle. This separation is called interauricular septum. This is, and this is called interventricular septum. So it is called intraauricular septum and it is called intraventricular septum, which separates two auricles and two ventricles. And this layer is called auriculoventricular septum. It separates auricle from ventricle. Okay. The function of auricle is receive blood, receiving blood, and the function of ventricle is releasing blood. Here, left auricle, four pipes which are called pulmonary vein. Okay, two comes from left lungs and two comes from right lungs. Okay, this we know normally vein carries deoxygenated blood or carbon dioxide blood, but it is exception. Pulmonary vein carries oxygenated blood from left and right lungs, and it carries oxygenated blood from lungs to left auricle. Lungs to left auricle. What is oxygenated blood? There are four pipes, and these pipes are called pulmonary vein. It comes from two comes from left lungs and others two comes from right lungs, and it's joined with left auricle. Okay, acha. This is the two pipe joined with right auricle. This is called superior vena cava and it is called inferior vena cava. Superior vena cava and inferior vena cava carries deoxygenated blood from other parts of the body and carries to the right auricle. Okay, acha. It is called left ventricle. From here, a pipes releases. It is called aorta. Okay, aorta carries oxygenated blood from left ventricles to blood capillary. Okay, and it is called pulmonary artery. Pulmonary, the function of pulmonary artery is it carries deoxygenated blood from right ventricles to lung. Okay, the wall of ventricles is very thick. Why? This is auricle. Auricle receives blood, so its wall is thin, but it is ventricle. The function of ventricle is releasing blood. It is oxygenated and oxygenated carbon dioxide blood released from here. So it have to create a great pressure, a maximum pressure. So its wall is thick. For this reason, blood can easily escape from these two chambers. Okay. Acha. It is the some muscles situated in the wall of ventricles. It is called papillary muscles. Okay, papillary muscles. Acha. And the cleavage in the papillary muscles is called columni carni. Okay, and from it is left auricle, it is left ventricle. Between left auricle and left ventricle, there are two valves, and two valves are called bicuspid valve, bicuspid valve or mitral valve. It opens towards downwards. Okay, and in the joining of right auricle and right ventricle, there are three valves. They are called tricuspid valve. Okay, these are called bicuspid valve and these are called tricuspid valve. Bicuspid valve and tricuspid valve both opens towards ventricle. It does not open towards auricle. Okay, the function of bicuspid valve is passing oxygenated blood from left auricle to left ventricle, and the function of the tricuspid valve is the passing of deoxygenated blood from right auricle to right ventricle. Okay, here some thread-like structure are situated from the wall of papillary muscles to the lid of the valve, and the thread-like structure is called okay chordae tendineae. What is chordae tendineae? So chordae tendineae is a thread-like structure which attach from pulmonary muscle to the lid of the valve, and it hold up the lid of the valve, and so the valve cannot open upward towards auricle. Okay. Achha. And bicuspid valve and tricuspid valve both are called auriculoventricular valve. Bicuspid valve and tricuspid valve both are called togetherly auriculoventricular valve. Okay, two valves opens and closed togetherly at same time. Okay, and at the joining of left ventricle and aorta and right ventricle and pulmonary artery, two semilunar valve is situated. Semilunar means half moon, like half moon valve. These half moon valve are situated, and these semilunar valves opens upward they are the bicuspid valve and tricuspid valve open downwards and they open upwards. Okay, it's what is the function of the bicuspid valve? This bicuspid valve is called aortic valve, and this bicuspid this semilunar valve is called aortic valve, and this semilunar valve is called bolo pulmonary valve. So semilunar valve is composed with pulmonary valve and aortic valve, and bicuspid valve and tricuspid valve are composed and formed auriculoventricular valve. Okay, so bicuspid valve and tricuspid valve both composed auriculoventricular valve, and pulmonary valve and aortic valve both semilunar valve compose semilunar valve. Okay, acha, this is the main structure of heart. सिंपल डायग्राम किताब में बुक में जो डायग्राम दिया हुआ वो ये जो पाइप है एओटा ये ऊपर से निकल के ये ऊपर से निकल रहा है, यहाँ से स्टार्ट होके ऊपर जाएगा। और ये जो क्या है बोलो ये इसको कहते हैं पाल्मोनरी आर्टरी। पाल्मोनरी आर्टरी ये यहाँ से उत्पन्न होके इधर से निकलेगा, क्योंकि ये फ्लेक्सिबल है पाइप, ये नीचे से नहीं, ये सब ऊपर से निकलता है। पर इसका सिंपल डायग्राम हम ड्रॉन किया। पर देखो तो व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन ऑरिकल एंड वेंट्रिकल? तो ऑरिकल इज द अपर चेम्बर ऑफ हार्ट and ventricle is the lower chamber of heart. Okay, the wall is thin and its wall is thick, and two auricle is separated by interauricular septum, two ventricle is separated by interventricular septum. Okay, two और क्या auricle receives blood, it release blood, ventricle release blood. This is the main difference between auricle and ventricle. Okay, this is the main difference between ये क्या ऑरिकल एंड ये वेंटिकल, ये टोटल डायग्राम। ओके ठीक है, ये जस्ट स्टडी कर लो, नेक्स्ट क्लास हम नेक्स्ट दिन में कराएंगे। ठीक है, तो गुड डे।